You can download the new ALM Octane Webhooks Listener tool from GitHub to simulate how a server application would listen for webhook requests. Let's demo a Trigger Webhook rule and see how the listener responds. We will be looking at 3 different windows: a Node.js window for running the listener, an ALM Octane settings window where we create our Trigger Webhook rule, an ALM Octane window where the rule gets triggered while we work. In the Node.js window, type node app verbose to get the IP address of the listener. In ALM Octane settings, we create our Trigger Webhook rule, which runs whenever a defect is updated. We enter the IP address of the listener and specify any fields we want to send. We can test the connection here too. Make sure to save and refresh. In the Node.js window, we see the response for the connection test. Now let's update the owner and phase of a defect in ALM Octane. The listener tool responds, showing the exact request that ALM Octane sends. You can use this to develop and debug your server application. Thank you for watching.